Hey guys, back again. Sorry it's been such a long time since I've done a video, but I've been busy. This is a Husqvarna ST131 snowblower. Single stage, got this in. Needs the throttle cable changed. It's broken there, as you can see right there. Broken. So I couldn't find a video on YouTube of how to do this, so I'm gonna make one. So first thing you gotta do is take this side cover off, their T30 Torx screwdriver or Torx bit or whatever you want to use. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, somewhere around there. Something you can count. First thing you gotta do is take those off, and if they're rusted, lubricate them and work them back and forth first, so you lessen the chance of breaking them. Be back when that's finished. Thanks, guys. Now that you got this cable off, there's a couple of springs. There's a big one there that the top needs to be removed, so you can get to this small one inside there, and then squeeze these tabs and it pops out, and then you pop it out from up top there, and then pull it through and it comes off. I'll do that and get back to you. So there's the part number there for the new cable to put in. It's the same on the 111. You're going to want to put the top piece in first up there, and then snake it down on the inside of the handle, and goes down and around and through there. We'll show it better when it's on. Thanks. One thing when you're putting that small spring in there, you gotta get that pulley down so you can put it. Let me get closer. You gotta get this pulley down like that, so like that, and then put that hook in there from the inside, and it hooks in there where the 2 tabs are. Good to go. It should move like this. Then you know it's working right.